Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Foreo UFO by Foreo Sweden. Didn't know they were a Swedish brand, but I guess they are. They were nice enough to send me this thing and it was so nice. First of all, how cute is this? Like pink, gold, count me in. I've never had an actual facial in a spa, but I just don't really understand paying someone $300 to rub your face for an hour, but like, I imagine it might go something like this. It was really cool to try it out. I tried it out for the period of over a month. I took little notes down so we can go through the whole sheboygan, but let's hop right into it. So day one trying it out, I was a little bit confused, I must admit, because the instructions that it comes with just has 3 little pictures and I was like, this doesn't, how am I turning this on? But what you have to do is download the app and then the app walks you through how to use it. And that lady's voice that's on the app, ooh, that lady has a career in voiceover. Okay, I just finished up my first treatment, and if you're like me and you don't read directions when you open a new package, you really need to read the directions on this one, because I was sitting there just wiping it on my face, nothing was happening, and I was like, is this how this is supposed to work? No, it's not. You need to download an app first, and then there's a voice that guides you through it. So far, so good. I have a problem with flaking and dryness between my eyebrows, and so far I don't really see any flaking right now. It seems to really penetrate the skin nicely, so hopefully this might fix that problem throughout this month. One of my skin concerns is that right here in my eyebrow region I've got a lot of flakiness and a lot of dry skin. It causes me problems with makeup, and I've tried to defeat it with moisturizer and I've just never found something that really like gets the job done, if you know what I mean. This thing, right after I used it, temporary or not, it fixed that little scaliness that I've got going on between my eyebrows. The next morning when I woke up and washed my face, my skin felt really, really soft. I could tell that hyaluronic acid was really penetrating the skin nicely. I was really nervous to use the nighttime mask because it has olive oil in it, and I used the mask 2 consecutive days in a row. So I used the daytime mask and then the following day I used the nighttime mask. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend spacing them apart. The following day when I woke up after using the mask 2 days in a row, I think it's because of the olive oil. I think that my skin was a little bit like, whoa, this is too much. I woke up with some irritation and some sensitivity. So what I did was space out the mask so that I would do 1 mask every other day. So I would do a daytime mask, nothing the following day, and then a nighttime mask, and then a nothing the following day, if you get my drift. What I really love using the mask for is prepping my skin for makeup. So before I do my makeup, I really love to use it because it just hydrates so nicely and it penetrates way deeper than my moisturizer seems to, and it just absorbs quickly. If I'm using a moisturizer, I find that it's gonna like sit on top of my skin for a little bit until like, unless I wait a couple of minutes before I do my makeup, but this just absorbs so quickly. It's also so much product comes in each and every little package that like after I would come out of the shower, I would save, I'm janky as can be. I'd save the little foil packets and I would keep the product and I would use it kind of like as a lotion and a moisturizer. I would go into the neck and I would do the mask on the neck. I would do it on the chest. It's like using a really luxurious type of lotion for your body. What I will say about this product though that I'm not too crazy about, or I guess I just haven't even really experienced it yet because I just ran out of the packages, is that every time you use a packet or like a little envelope, you will have to scan the barcode in order for the Foreo, the UFO, to turn on. So I have scanned barcodes twice in order for the machine to turn on, and that's worked totally fine. But let's say you run out of envelopes and you want to turn on your machine, you're gonna have to have a barcode in order for the machine to turn on. Hey guys, okay, future editing me here. Upon further investigation, you can use the UFO without scanning a barcode. So my mistake, you don't have to necessarily use those little packets. You can use whatever mask you want while using the UFO. So back to the regular programming. At least maybe there's another way to do it, but that's just how I've been using it, and I don't think there's another way to turn it on. So that could probably get really expensive over time. All in all, if you want to like splurge on some new skincare, or you're looking to pick up a new device for your at-home skincare routine, I think this is a great choice. I've rarely used skincare that's given me like an instant result with my eyebrow flakiness issue that I've got going on, and this took care of it right away. Like I said, I haven't stopped using it, so I don't know if it'll come back, but so far so good. Have you guys used this, or have you used other Foreo products that you love? Because now that I'm into this, I'm kind of curious as to how good their other products are. So I want to check them out. So let me know if you love any of their other stuff in the comment section below. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.